Okay, so we're going to graph the function y equals x squared. It's not with a given domain, so we're going to come up with a reasonable domain, and we will hopefully see a pattern from our points on the graph and just go ahead and connect our points basically. Alright, so a reasonable domain for y equals x squared. It's not tied to a word problem at all, so we don't have to keep that in mind. I'm just going to look at the graph we have. Our graph goes from -7 to +7, but we tend to just do kind of the heart right there, that -2 to +2. Those are always great values for your table of values. So -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So when we plug in our input value of -2 into the function, we are going to put parentheses around it. Anytime we square something, -2 squared is +4. Plug in a -1 squared is +1. If you square a 0, it's still just 0. And then if you square a 1, you get 1, and when you square 2, you get 4. So we're going to plot these points. We have -2, +4 is right there. -1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 4. So our last example, you saw they kind of look like they would form straight lines if we were to draw it. This one, however, is kind of curvy. This is what's called a quadratic function. We're going to learn about this later. So it's a parabolic shape. It kind of comes down like this, and it curves back up. And that's what this one is going to look like.